So there are 2 centimeter gaps between every drops on for this cube. So let's note that down from this question as it will be important. So there's 20 centimeters of total length per side of this cube. So it's 20 by 20 by 20. Now I have to do the division to get how much gaps there are on one face or every drop. So there's 20 divided by 2, which gives us 10 gaps for just one length of this cube. So there are 10 gaps and 9 drops in all of these gaps. So if we drop this one side of the cube, we'll have 20 centimeters on the top and 20 centimeters on the side. Okay, so we'll draw the drops on this side, on the top and the side. So there's 9 on the top, and since this is a square, because the space is a square of a cube, so we have to do multiplication. So we do 9 times 9 equals 81. That's how many drops there are on one side of the cube. And since there are 5 sides of the cube, because there's one bottom side that we don't include, we do 81 times 5 equals 405. And that is our final answer. The answer is 405.